Welcome back, Firsties. I hope you got your STEAM kit out and you're ready. Inside of it, it should tell you what's in it. Everybody should have one green plate. Here's mine. You should also have red construction paper. It's folded in half. Leave it folded in half like that. You're going to need it like that. And one black piece of construction paper like this. Please unfold that one now. I just folded it to keep it in the bag. So unfold it. And then you should also have two large googly eyes. So I hope you have all your materials. Don't lose them. You're also going to need these items: a glue stick and scissors. I hope you got them out now. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to want to do is make our witch's hair. And we're going to do that on the red paper here. So I want you to take your red paper and put it down on a flat surface. I'm going to use this one here to show you how I will do it. I have a flat surface here. So I put it on top with my one hand, and I'm going to use my other hand to trace it very carefully with my pencil. Just doing my best. It doesn't have to be perfect. So take one hand and go with your pencil now and trace it. So you can see I'm just carefully going around each finger. You probably did this before in kindergarten, and if not, it can be a lot of fun to do. And it's going to make some fun witch hair. Remember, don't unfold your paper, and I'm going to show you why. Okay, so hopefully you're tracing it now. Get all the parts going all the way around it so you can see it. Make sure. And it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to be crazy witch hair. Okay, so you can even have your adult that's at home help you. If that is there, there's an adult to help you. Afterwards, it should look like this, okay? And don't unfold your paper. Don't unfold it because it's going to make two. We're going to cut it once and it will make two when you leave it folded. Now you're going to take your scissors. And remember how Mrs. Elkins said you put your two fingers in the big hole and one thumb, this is your thumb, into the little hole. You always cut away from you, holding your paper carefully. I find the best way is to move your paper as you're cutting with little cuts. So see how I make little movements and I move my paper. See how I'm moving it rather than moving my scissors. So you can keep moving your paper around. See how I'm doing that? And I just keep moving it. Or you can keep moving your scissors, but see how much harder that is because my arm doesn't move up there. So I can just move my paper now back this way, right? And do your best to stay in the lines, but it's hard. Don't worry if it's not exactly on the lines. It does not have to be perfect. It's going to be crazy witch hair. Remember how crazy looking Gritch's hair was? So you're cutting still and take your time. Don't worry, because if you rush, you won't do your best, okay? So take your time. Keep cutting and cutting. Sometimes you might need to take a rest because your fingers or hands get tired. You can pause the video and start it again, or you can watch the video twice. That's the great thing about it. You can take your time, okay? And when you're done, you'll see you're going to have two hands. Uh-oh, mine's still connected. I'm going to cut it down the middle. That's okay. Can you see that? Uh-oh, because I went to the folded line. So now I'm going to cut them apart, and I have two hands. You keep cutting yours till you get where you need to be. Keep cutting yours. And if you need to pause the video, you can. Don't forget, okay? So pause it while you finish cutting and then push play when you're ready to begin again. Great. Now you have two hands. Take the side where you can see your pencil mark like I have. Do you see that? See how mine has this? I don't want it to show, so I'm going to use that side to glue it down. And first you're going to just put some glue right here on this straight part here. And then you're going to take it on your plate and you're going to put it near the top of your witch's head. This is going to be your head. So kind of like this, right in the top there. And the hair is going to be flying off crazy. So don't worry, you're going to have hair on the other side too now. Now you're going to take your other hand. You're going to do the same thing. I'm going to put glue here. Again, see how I'm putting some glue just on the edge. And then I'm going to come put it on the other side up here. And this is going to be my witch's crazy hair, like Rich the Witch, sticking out like that, right? Rich the Witch hair. So that's going to be her crazy red hair. And you can glue yours how you like yours. Maybe you want yours to be down more. Maybe you don't like it sticking up so much. You know, you can put it down. You're the artist, so how you want her hair, okay? It's yours to decide. It's yours. Okay, you are the artist. Now you're going to make a witch's hat. And let me show you how. Get your black paper like this. Remember, this is horizontal style. I want you to take it portrait style this way. And then with your scissors, I want you to put 3 fingers. 3 fingers in the bottom. 3. See that? 3 right here. And then I want you to take your pencil and mark it right there where 3 is. I'm going to mark mine now. I have a white pen, so I'm going to mark mine with white just so you can see it. Because otherwise it won't show, I'm afraid. That doesn't show either for you on my camera. So I'm going to take a white crayon. That way it'll show. So you have